Okay, now I touched on this and I'm going to go deeper into it, okay? It's the rectangle angle formula, okay? And this is for, say, like you go to a board, you go to a group meeting. Just pay attention because they're going to try to coherently do it. They're going to say the same thing in different words with the same trajectory, a purpose. Pay attention, okay? The formula for the area of the rectangle. If AB is 4 inches and BC is 7 inches long, there are 4 times 7 or 28 squares inside ABCD. So if they have two purposes, you take, you know what I'm saying? AB, BC, right? So like two people are arguing this point, two people are arguing that point, right? Now it's that times that, right? So if we'll just use them as a 1, so that's 2 times 2 equals 4. That's 4 different conversations in the same area. Okay. AD is called the base. So the first one that says it is the base. And DC, the height or altitude of the message. So AD and DC. So you got the different angles of it, right? You got the base statement, the first one. Then they're going to go for the height of it, how high they want to go into it. And then you also have the following rule. The area of the rectangle equals the product of the number of units, how many people are in it, of length in the base by the number in the height or altitude. See how it's working? See how they control the conversation at a board meeting, at a hearing, anything like that. This is the principle it works on, okay? Okay, now this is important if you go to a board meeting or any hearing or anything like that. Important when using a formula, always write down the formulas, write down their discussions. So you have the whole equation to build the rectangle that they're trying to trap you in, okay? Write what you know about each of the literal numbers in the formula as done in step 2 above, okay? Now remember, numbers. We're going to go back and refresh on this one, okay? Okay. How letters are used as numbers or people are used as numbers, okay? Let D, we'll call person D, represent the number of units of length in this segment at the right. Then the sum of two such segments, right? So that gives you the power, right? So it's like this person's making this, and then you have your parallel arguments, right? They're the same, they're just placed differently, okay? It's like putting a upper and a lowercase a. It's the same thing, it's just shaped, or it's just presented differently. Okay. I'll reread this because I'm not sure where I love it. When using a formula, always write down the formula, write what you know about each of the lateral numbers in the formula as done in step 2 above. Remember, write down what they say, a dot for each person, so you understand the perimeter of the triangle they're trying to trap you in. Substitute their values from known literal numbers. See? And what that is connect the dots between the 2 points being made. Okay? Write it in proper place, the unknown literal number. That way you can classify, okay, this group wants this group wants that. Okay. This is how you handle a board meeting. And like when you go to 12-step meetings, when you use these principles, you'll understand how to run that whole board. And I'm going to stop there for now.